Hello, everyone. Welcome. Today, we are going to take these few simple ingredients and turn them into this. And these are bacon, egg, and cheese muffins, you guys. And the beauty about these is that not only are they easy, but they are also portable. So let's go ahead and get right into the recipe. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is take this cooked bacon and we are going to cut it into small pieces. Next, we are going to whisk these eggs. And now it's time to start layering in the flavor. So we're going to add some salt. Some pepper. And today I'm going to be using some Dash Italian Medley. Okay, mix that in. Okay, now for the bacon. Some chopped spinach. And then some cheese. Give this a mix until everything is well incorporated. And then you guys, we will be ready to spoon this into the muffin tin. All right, I have some muffin tins that have been lined with the parchment paper. We're gonna go ahead and spoon this in until about 3/4 of the way full. All right, you guys, and here we have it. And as you can see, we've got some more of this egg mixture. So please trust and believe this is not going to go to waste. So I'm gonna get another tin and we are going to cook these up as well. And off to a preheated oven, which has been preheated to 400 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, everyone, these are hot out of the oven. All right, one of the things that I absolutely love to do these days in order to get my protein in and also to make a delicious, low-fat, high-protein meal in a matter of minutes is to do bacon and eggs, you guys. And how about that we have bacon, egg, and cheese in a flavor-packed muffin? Take a look at that. Absolutely delicious, you guys. Give it a try and let me know if you agree by leaving your comments below. And please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Please to share. And remember, you guys, remain safe, healthy, and encouraged. And it is a great day. And you continue to make it your own kind of special with delicious, easy recipes such as this. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries. And I'll see you all real soon on my next Fit Fab 15. Thank you guys, and I'll see you soon.